Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to World Geography with M.Adnan. Today's tutorial is related to how can we predict the land use net cover data for the future. As you can see here in my desktop screen of QGIS, you can see here I'm already predicting of land use net cover of 2030. So now I'm going to predict for the 40 and 50. So if the video is going to be lengthy, so I just capture it for 40, and the same process will be repeated for the 50. So now we start. As you can see my QGIS version, this version you can use for it. It's a 2.18.15. So I'm just open from here. I'm already download the LULC plug like this one. This one is used in the future prediction. So as you can see, the land use and cover data, this the 10 and 22 I use for the 30, and now I use the 22 and 30 for the 40. Now I just put here the initial data has like this one, 22, and then 30 is the final. And now I just go here to the add the geometry. I select, now I add it. As you can see, I add, now I select here again. Okay, it is good. Now I check the geometry. The geometry is match. Okay, so the other perimeters are and other panels are open now. I elevate its correlation by using this Pearson correlation. There are so many methods in here like this one and this one, but I suggested this one. And you can see what your research supports, so you can use this one. So these two tools different generated here, and now we generate here the area change, and you can change here from the raster unit to square kilometer and acre. I just suggest this raster unit, so the result will become in the square meter. As I update the table, so this will be completed. And let us skip the video. So okay, as you can see, the 6 classes will be generated and the area change of it will be here. Okay, now I just create the change map of it, this change. And now as you can see, I'm already make a folder for this work and just give its place for QGIS. Wait a minute, I need to find the folder. Where is my folder? No, not here. It should be here. Okay, so as you can see, I found it. Here will be the change data I said. As you can see, this change of 10 to 22. Now I just keep here the year. It will be the of from 2022 to 30. Okay, here 30 means 2030. So we keep here. Now we save it, so it will be processed. It will take time, so it will skip the video. So as you can see, it will be completed in a little time. So then we process the next step and it's complete. So it's a very easy to predict the data of from the previous data we have, so we can predict what will be in the future. So it will be more basically the stimulated data, and it will be maybe if you have a good classification of land use net cover, so you will get a good result. You don't need to put here in any other data like a slope and road data. If you want to need to change in these areas like a road or a slope, so you will put it in it. Or if you basically need the land use and version, so you can only use this data. So for it you don't need to any further data to be changed. Okay, here I am simple selected because this method I use the artificial neural network. Okay, so the terrain and neural network will be generated after such a few times, and here will be, you can see the validation overall error. So it's work, it's starting. The line will be completed to the 1000, so it will be completed. Now it will take time, so I little skip the video. So okay, as you can see, the transition potential modeling is complete. Now you can save this picture as a PNG format, PNG format for your further recommendation in your thesis and in your report. So here is it. Now I find the place where I need to save it. Not the prediction one. Yes, this one. So we can save it here as a transition potential model, like a short form transition model, or you can write its name if you want to predict for 30 and 40. So it's of a 41, 40. Okay, and save it. And now we go for the next step, which will be the cellular automate simulation. Okay, so what is in it? Here you can uncheck this certainty function, and you can check this one, simulation result, and you can give the place to it where you want to save it. You can here change the name from the 30 to 40, because we want to predict after every 10 years. So this is our main goal to achieve this. Now we process it to start. It will take time, it will be processing. So the more you need for this, a very good space in your drive where you save it. If the drive have a less space, so there will be, you get the error like a Python error or other errors. So for it you need, as I am showing to you, I have a very capable space in it, like a 39.0 GB, and in my programming will be nearly to the 30 GB. So I am saving the data in this folder. So as you can see, above the 30 GB, it's a free space. So for this you need a good space in your drive, so it will work easily. Now I just skip the video because it will be take time, so it will become lengthy. So the viewers, as you can see, the process is complete. Now we go for the validation, and validation also takes some time. As you can see, it's over here 30 to 40. Now we go for the this one. We give here the change. As you can see, this is the prediction map, but we give it's the folder like our change data. We need to shift it to the future one. We later shape it. Now we give it a reference of 22 to 30. Okay, it's our reference one, and it's for a stimulated map. Now we check its kappa coefficient. It will take time, so little escape it. So viewers, as you can see here, our kappa values come, and we give here some mistakes. The mistake is that the reference map, we give here the change data. We don't need to give here the change data. This will be the change, the difference, simple difference, and this map will be present, will be need to be here one, because it's a predicted data. So we give it's the prediction data here of a land use land cover 2030. Okay, we give. So when we give, we get this result. Now we do start validation. So it's will little take time. As you can see, and start it. So as you can see, it's an alteration start, but it's little take time. As you can see, it's for 1%, so I skip the video. When it's complete, so I will showing you result here in the graph. So as you can see, we estimated the graph as I am says to you. Now we just save it, this graph of the 30 and 40 of the year 40. paragraph will be saved, and now we just keep its screenshot from here for our reference. This classification is done. So the same process will be used for the estimating the year 2015, and this process will be repeat as I can showing you the image. This one is our land use land cover of this 41 as I am correcting its name. So for it I just keep here. So as you can see I am changing its name. Okay. So for it I need to create here also the name change here. I just rename it land use land cover of 14, not just 14, 2014, because 30 and 40 here. Okay, and also change here its name land use land cover 2014. Okay, so it will not change because we need to remove it first from here, then it will be changed. This one we need to remove. So as you can see I am removed. Now we are going to change it from there as land use land cover 2000. This side with 2014. Okay, simple enter, and it's also we need to change land use land cover 2014. Simple, we add it again in the QGIS because we need it for further classification. We have this. We go back to this for the change data. As you can see it's come with the 6 classes as over 6 classes here. Now we just going to change this further like this one, and it will be 6 here. Okay, simple, and deselect. Now we proceed for our final, and I will end the video here. So you can simple repeat this process for 2015. Now we keep here the land use land cover 30 initial as this, and for the second land use land cover as this one. And now we also select these two for the geometry. Now we select it and check geometry, and geometry is matched. Now we go for further, and send the process will be repeated as we do it for the previous one. And we just update the table edge and so on. So thanks for watching, and this video will be ended. For more informative videos you need to subscribe to our channel and stay with us. Thank you so much.